Nia Long is an American actress. Long was born on October 30, 1970 in Brooklyn to Talita Long, a teacher and printmaker, and Doughtry Long, a high school teacher and poet. Her mother is of Trinidadian descent. She has an older half-sister, the actress and comedian known as Sommore. When Long was 2 years old, her parents divorced. She accompanied her mother, who moved to Lower City to study fine arts. In July 2020, Long starred in the Netflix psychological thriller Fatal Affair. In 2022, Long starred in the Peacock miniseries The Best Man, the final chapters, once again reprising her role from the previous films. Long made a cameo appearance in the video for Kanye West's Touch the Sky. She also directed Yolanda Adams' video for These Two Shall Pass. Long won an NAACP Image Award for Outstanding Actress in a Drama Series in 2004 for her performance on Third Watch. Long has had supporting roles in a number of films such as Friday and Made in America. In 2003, Long joined the cast of the drama Third Watch, where she played NYPD officer Sasha Monor, continuing until the series finale in 2005. She then starred alongside Michael Burton and Dylan McDermott in Big Shots from 2007 to 2008. In 2016, Long was cast as Giuliana, a Las Vegas club owner, in a recurring role on the TV series Empire. Long's acting coach was Betty Bridges, better known as the mother of Different Strokes star Todd Bridges. Her earliest role was in the Disney television film The Brat, Petrol alongside Sean Astin, Tim Thomerson and Brian Keith. Her first notable role on television was a 3-year contract role as Catherine Cat Speakers on the soap opera Guiding Light. From 1994 to 1995, she played Will Smith's girlfriend and fiancée Beulah Lisa Wilkes on The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Jada Pinkett Smith was originally supposed to play Lisa but was too short for the role, thus leaving Long to take the part. Also in the second season of the show, Long appeared as Claudia, a love interest of Smith's alongside Queen Latifah. Her first notable role on television was a 3-year contract role as Catherine Cat Speakers on the soap opera Guiding Light. Long portrayed Cat from 1991 to 1994. Long was played Brandy in Boys in the Hood.